Hello everyone, I'm Andre McClendon and today I bring you Tezos. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, market information, some news and where to find it, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. So Tezos, guys, is sitting at number 38 on the list of cryptocurrencies. It is at $6.59 and its market cap is at 5.7 billion. So there's a lot of players in this. Let's see what this cryptocurrency is about. Tezos is a blockchain network that based on smart contracts in a way that is not too dissimilar to Ethereum. However, there's a big difference. Tezos aims to offer infrastructure that is more advanced, meaning it can evolve and improve over time without there being a damper of a hard fork. There's something that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have suffered since they've been created. People who hold on to XTZ can vote proposals for protocols upgrades that have been forwarded by Tezos developers. So guys, let's see what markets this cryptocurrency is on. Tezos is on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Huobi Global, Kraken, and it's also on Coinbase exchanges. So this thing has a big market cap, has a lot of players in it. So if you're looking at trading or hodling this, this is be available to you. Well, let's check out some important news, guys, for this cryptocurrency. I found one article that would have listed below. So, Reable aims to integration of Tezos Flow and Solana blockchains. If you know or hear about any of these cryptocurrencies and you want to find out more about how they're integrating this platform, please check out this article. I'll have the list of news posted below also, so please check those out. Let's look at their website. Wow. Cool animation right off the bat. So if you guys are looking for what information on the website, please check out their home website at tezos.com. Also, they have a Twitter page, guys. They have, let's see, a rather large following, 211,000 followers. So if you guys are looking for updates, check out their Twitter. I am going to show you their Reddit right after this. But if you guys are on Twitter, please follow me at Andre J. McClendon, and we'll have that discussion. I also talk about cryptocurrencies, trading, politics, just about everything that I talk about on this channel. Here's their Reddit page also. Now the Reddit page is really active, so if you guys are looking at it at our own Reddit platform, please check them out too. So let's get to that price prediction, guys. So this cryptocurrency also has a very short lifespan, especially on this chart. So this is how I would do it. This cryptocurrency is too volatile for me to trade. I will not go for that trading aspect at all because of being stopped out and losing position, especially on a leveraged account. But I will be entering on a market position if I'm going to hodl. So that's my plan. Hodl as much as I can. And this will be the easiest price prediction because for me, I'm only going for a flat $9. So $9, that's where I'm going to take some profits and look at moving a stop if I have one available on exiting my position. If I'm wrong for a hodling position, guys, it is fine because I'm going to be doing a dollar cost average for this trade. I'm sorry, for this hodl position. And if it does something like this, goes up and down, that's just fine because my overall thing is long-term position. And if it does something like this, you know, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, what I'm going to employ is if I had a job and I'm being paid on every single Friday, $100 for example, every $100 I'm getting paid for my job, or you know, a portion of it, I'll be setting aside some of it for XTZ. And for this cryptocurrency, every Friday, dollar cost averaging, removing all the emotional part in trading, so I'm not getting overburdened, I'm not getting emotional, I'm not going to exit my trade because it goes down or up. I'm going to be set my plan. And for me, since it hasn't passed $9, nothing significant up a point here, what I'm going to do is start exiting my position. So if it have to hodl down at this price range for, let's say, a few months, if it hits that $9 position, $10 position, I'll start taking off profits slowly as it goes higher. And then once it hit a point of, like, say $16, I'll let it run and then I'll exit I'll make a new price prediction at that point. So my current price prediction, guys, is $9. If you have any questions or comments on how I'm doing that, please post a comment below. I'm not using any other indicators. I'm looking at previous structure and looking how I can position myself. Okay? So guys, let's check out my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. If you guys want to learn more about trading, cryptocurrency, you can book a session with myself, or you can have it. You can find us in the news on here. If I am updating the website, guys, adding a cryptocurrency and updated gold and silver statistics. So if you guys looking on those things, they will be changed. And if you want to talk to more about people cryptocurrency, I'm building a blog / open chat for anyone. So that's my price prediction, guys. That's my news. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.